Are you a student that is trying to become a SOC analyst and are looking for some decent cybersecurity resources that will help build up your skills? If so, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have 10 cybersecurity resources that offer student discounts on training, labs, and/or certifications, which will teach you what you need to know to become a SOC analyst. If this is your first time seeing my video, hello, my name is Steven, and I've been in the cybersecurity industry for about 8 years now, focusing within the security operations domain. And I do mentor a lot of students who are trying to obtain some solid hands-on experience, and I thought, might as well create a video to share these resources with you all. Let's start with the first resource, which is TryHackMe. TryHackMe is a cybersecurity learning platform that offers a ton of blue team related, aka defensive labs that you can practice on to level up both your analytical and investigative skills. The awesome part is that they don't just offer blue team labs, but also red team as well, which will allow you to learn how attacks work. TryHackMe offers students a 20% discount on their subscriptions, and I'll provide a link down below for you to learn more about it. Next is Cyber Defenders. This platform has a certification that is geared towards defenders, in particularly SOC/DFIR Analyst. They also offer many different labs which are both paid and free that range from malware analysis all the way to endpoint forensics. Cyber Defenders also provides a 20% discount for both their certification and cyber range. The third is Security Blue Team, aka Blue Team Level 1. Security Blue Team provides students with training and a certification that is tailored for aspiring SOC analysts. They teach topics from security fundamentals to incident response and offer a gamified platform where it'll allow you to practice your hands-on skills by completing various different labs. Security Blue Team offers students a 10% discount on their certification for Blue Team Level 1 and 2, but no discounts to their lab platform since it is already discounted depending on your subscription. Next is Hack the Box. Hack the Box, which is similar to TryHackMe, is a platform that offers both red team and blue team related labs. They also have multiple certifications that one can attempt to obtain with various learning paths that are tailored to penetration testers, SOC analysts, and many more. When it comes to the student discount, Hack the Box is a bit different. Rather than offering a discount percentage, they offer an exclusive subscription for students, which is $8 USD per month. And you'll have access to all of the modules, which is pretty sweet. Next is Let's Defend. This was one of the first platforms that I ever used to help a student of mine see how a SOC might look like, as this platform does provide learners an opportunity to work on alerts and run basic queries to find information. Let's Defend has a lot of learning paths and labs that will definitely help with skill development. When it comes to student discount, Let's Defend offers a generous 50% discount on their subscriptions. Number 6 is Sintra Labs. You may or may not have heard this platform before, and if you haven't, well, you are in for a treat. Sintra Labs is dedicated for those who really want to challenge themselves and would like to see if their skills are considered to be advanced or not. Because, well, Sintra Labs offers advanced labs. And when I say advanced, I mean it. As of recording, there are a total of 4 labs, and these are inspired by real-world events, which can be quite exciting, especially if you have never seen how a compromised environment looks like. Sneak peek, I'll be creating a walkthrough for one of these labs in the near future. Sintra Labs offers students a 15% discount on their subscription. Next is TCM Security, probably one of the best and most affordable platforms out there when it comes to training courses. With a large variety from pen testing all the way to the new release of their security operations course, it really feels that TCM has it all for an affordable price. So if you're a student and want some solid training without spending an arm and a leg, go and check them out. TCM Security offers students a 20% discount on any certification or live training. Number 8 is CompTIA. One of the certifications that I always recommend anyone trying to get into this industry is Security Plus. Yes, I know it might be basic, but it really provides you with that base layer of knowledge. You want to be able to talk the talk, and the topics in this certificate can help you with that. However, do note that this certification alone is usually not enough to land a job, but it is a start. CompTIA offers students 40 to 65% discounts in their academic store. As of recording, a CompTIA Security Plus voucher in their academic store costs $262 USD, compared to $404 on their site. Number 9 is Cybrary. Cybrary is a popular training platform among businesses that offer decent cybersecurity training, and they also offer a SOC analyst career path that you can take. And if you wanted to learn about, let's say, an engineer, Cybrary has a security engineer path for you as well. This platform offers students a generous 50% discount, just like Let's Defend, for their Insider Pro subscription, which contains over 1,200 cybersecurity courses. That is pretty amazing. Last but not least, Microsoft. I don't think Microsoft needs any kind of introduction, so instead, let's talk about what they offer for students. As a student, you can gain access to discounted certifications such as SC 900, AZ 900, MS 900, and many others. You also have access to Azure for students where you can get $100 worth of Azure credits without a credit card, and over 55 services for free. I'll provide all of the links in the description down below. And there you have it, 10 resources for you to jumpstart your learning path to become a SOC analyst. In this economy, I understand that funds can be tight, especially as a student. So do make sure that you take advantage of those student discounts when you're enrolling in any of the resources that I have provided. The last thing I want to say is make sure you take your time. Getting into this field is not going to happen overnight, but with consistency, curiosity, and eagerness to learn, you'll get there. I'm sure of it. And that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this informative, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribe if you want to. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.